you can see, it's still raining, and the villagers are all asked to be on alert. And the police team is coming in, moving in with demolition team, which is, you can see, is in a green t-shirt. And all the villagers are now forming a barricade in spite of the rain. And the rain is falling down again and it's getting heavy. Police barricades have actually got in here now. And things are still chaotic because some of the villagers are still standing outside. But the group of police has gone back to their conduct police. Reporters are not allowed near, but at least we have got into the village. Kamaraj is having a discussion with the police now. And the police are not allowing the... And now the police and the uniform body are all moving in towards the village, while at the same time the villagers are still holding back the demolition crew.
Whoever want to do, they must have an authority card. Dengan court, surat court. Court. Eh? Use Mizan bin Yusuf.
The police are now at the home of Stephen Ravium, which is a sandwich shop, together with a few court officials and also the developer representative. We are not very sure what are being discussed.
Oi, sudah bagi tak keluar lah.
Right now, the police, the bailors, and the developer are trying to get into the second home, and the owners are not moving. And there's a lot of commotion going on because they refuse to let the police and the bailiff and the developer to go in.
Bagilah kemanusiaan. Bagi kemanusiaan. Bukan dia binatang. Keluarlah.
இவளுக்கு எப்போ என்ன செய்யறானுங்க உடைக்கறானுங்க அப்பா 5 நிமிஷம் குடுக்கறானுங்க ஜாமான் எடுக்கலனா உடைச்சிருவானுங்க அதுதான் சொல்றதுக்கு அவ்வளவுதான் உட்கார்ந்தா அவ்வளவுதான் நான் நின்றானுங்க அதுதான் நின்றானுங்க உடைக்கிறதுக்கா அப்புறம் முடியாது வள்ளி வேட்டன கடை போய்ட்டான் அப்ப அங்க போய் இருக்காங்க அந்த வீட்டை உடைக்க மாட்டேன்
Police being very patient, no?
Yeah. The villagers are seen pushing the police and with the fence almost the police has been very restrained, even though the villagers have pushed into the house of J. Dravium. Things are getting uglier now. The police and the developers and the court bailiffs are all outside the home of J. Dravium, and the villagers are earlier seen to be trying to push into the the compound of the house, but the police has been very patient and just stood there. Right now you can see there's another old gentleman that came up. From what we gather, I know that J. Stephen has 2 small young children and 2 boys have been sent away from here. So right now, Stephen is quite emotional and is holding Gary Ho. This is my house.
கூப்பிடுறானுங்க பாரு இங்க வாங்க.
Citizen journalist Chan Lilian, and the time is about 12 noon now, and I am leaving the place because another citizen journalist Chan is taking over, and I hope